Alright, we're going to talk about pressure here. Alright? Pressure is equal to force over area. Okay? Where force for us is going to be either a Newton or in pounds. And area has to be either meters squared or inches squared, depending on if we are in metric or standard. Okay? You need to be able to manipulate this as well. So since this is pressure equals force times area, we might be asked to find the force. Okay? So pressure equals force over area. We're going to start with that equation. Okay, to do the algebra, okay, since force is being divided by area, we have to multiply both sides by area. Okay, so the areas cancel here. So here we can see that force equals pressure times area. So we're going to write that up here and say that force equals pressure times area. Okay, say we wanted to manipulate this equation though and find area out of this. Okay, so once again we'll start with the original equation here. Let me separate these two. And we're going to say that pressure equals force over area. And we want to solve this for area. Okay, well the first thing you're going to do is multiply both sides by area like we did in the other problem. So we know that area times pressure equals force. Well, we're still trying to get area by itself. In this scenario, area is being multiplied by pressure. So the way we undo multiplication is we're going to divide both sides by pressure. When we do that, the pressures on this side cancel, and we're left with area equals force divided by pressure. So although it's one equation up here, okay, we need to be able to find all three variables based on what's given to us. I always like to usually remember things in terms of a force. Force equals pressure times area. But if you prefer the other way, pressure equals force over area. Alright, so let's just do a quick example here. Say we have a container that has a 10 Newton force acting on it. Alright, and let's say the area that's acting upon that force, so say we have a container that looks like this. Okay? And we know that all these forces are acting upon this out of here. Alright, so let's say this area in here is 0.1 meters cubed, so that's our area here. And we have a force here that's acting upon this that's 10 Newton. That's our load. Okay? So if we want to find the actual pressure, the pressure here is force over area, which is 10 newtons divided by 0.1 meters squared. Sorry, this should be squared, not cubed. So we're talking area, not volume. This ends up being, when you take 10 divided by 0.1, you should get 100, and Newton meter squared is a Pascal. So we should get 100 pascals for this pressure.